If you're having trouble logging into Microsoft Store on Windows 11, here's exactly what to do step by step. First, open Microsoft Store app from your Start menu. Once it's open, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. If you're not signed in, it'll just show a simple person icon. Now, click Sign In and choose the Microsoft account you want to use. This could be the same account you use for Outlook, Xbox, or OneDrive. If your account doesn't appear, click Use another account and enter your email and password manually. Once signed in, you'll see your name or profile icon in the top right corner. That means you're successfully logged in. If you still can't sign in, try these quick fixes. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Your second fix is to open Settings and then go to Accounts and then Email and Accounts. And ensure your Microsoft account is added there. Finally, check for Windows updates. And make sure your Windows is updated to the latest update. And Microsoft Store updates too in the Library tab. Outdated version can cause login issues. And that's it. Your Microsoft Store should now be ready to download apps, games, and more. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.